Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working here on a Mazda CX-7, but what we'll be doing, it should help you on Mazda 3 and 6 as well. If you're trying to locate, guys, the oil pressure sensor, stay with us guys and we'll show you where it's located. It is also known as oil pressure switch. We'll guys have more than 200 videos on this engine, this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful. All the tools and parts, guys, that we use, including the replacement parts, will be listed in the description of the video below, so please check it out. Now, this is, guys, okay, this is the engine that we have right here, and let me show you guys. Okay, now we have it out of the car so I can show you a little bit better where things are. You don't have to take your engine out just to replace the oil pressure switch. No, don't worry about that. Now, right here, guys, this is the front side of the engine. This is the intake manifold. Okay, and if you look, okay, this is the AC compressor, the belts here, all that stuff. Where your oil filter is located, guys, okay, where your oil filter is located, if you look towards the right side of the oil filter, guys, okay, right here, this is your oil pressure sensor. It's on the oil filter housing, guys. Now, this sensor, okay, it's super easy to remove usually. Okay, right here there is a clip that you press in and you pull it out. And then the sensor, guys, in our case, okay, I think was with the 24mm wrench. Okay, right there. So we just go with either with a wrench, or once I remove the wire, I go with a deep socket. Okay, deep socket like this one. And this is one of the oil filter housings that you may have. The other one is, okay, this is another engine. Okay, and this is the other kind of oil filter housing, and the sensor again, okay, you can see it just plugs in right here. So that's where, guys, it's reading, okay, it's reading the pressure and all that stuff. We guys have more than 200 videos on, as I said, on this car and this engine alone. This is the old sensor that we have right here. Okay, that's what it looks like. You can see nothing special about it. It just has one wire going in, and you just have to go ahead and remove it. So let us know, guys, if you want to see any specific videos. As I said, we'll have more than 200 videos, but if you want to see anything specific, transmission related or anything like that, just don't hesitate to drop a comment below, guys. We have the timing chain replacement video as well, cylinder head replacement, quite a few videos that are helpful on that car, the weak spots, okay, that all that is addressed. And if you have the turbo engine, we have a video for the turbo on the channel coming as well. So again, the replacement parts will be listed below. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.